Welcome to the ACE Insight series, powered by ACE Microtechnology. This video will answer the question of, what is the Microsoft Power Platform? The Microsoft Power Platform is a robust business applications platform which is comprised of Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. The Power Platform provides hundreds of data connectors that let you connect to your data sources easily. The AI Builder component brings the low-code, no-code AI capabilities to your data applications or automations. Common Data Service is a database within the Power Platform which makes it easier to bring your data together and quickly create powerful apps, automations, or Power BI analytics. Power BI enables you to analyze and gain insights into your critical business data. Power BI leverages built-in AI and pre-built connectors to surface key information. The Power BI reports are easily accessible to your business through a mobile device and the browser. Power Apps allows you to build end-to-end business applications using no-code or low-code. You can get started quickly by building and launching apps using pre-built templates, drag-and-drop simplicity, and quick deployment. For professional developers, Power Apps provides tools to extend the app capabilities with Azure Functions and custom connectors. The Power Apps are mobile ready and easily deployable to your business. Power Automate lets organizations streamline repetitive tasks and paperless processes so you can focus your attention where it's needed most. With its simple interface, it's easy to create these automations which start with a trigger and perform certain specified actions. You can boost productivity in your organization by building these time-saving workflows into everything from individual tasks to large-scale systems with seamless integration using hundreds of pre-built connectors. Enable everyone in your organization to build secure workflows with no-code, guided experience, and cloud-based data loss prevention, identity, and access management services. You can automate all time-consuming manual tasks with built-in AI capabilities, giving you more time to focus on strategic, high-value opportunities. Power Virtual Agents enables the creation of chatbots without the need of developers or data scientists. Integrate Power Virtual Agents with the products and services you use every day using hundreds of pre-built connectors. By building custom workflows using Power Automate, or creating complex scenarios with Microsoft Bot Framework. By using a no-code interface, you can quickly spin up AI and data-driven virtual agents to integrate with your services. As mentioned, the Microsoft Power Platform provides hundreds of pre-built connectors, or you can create custom connectors to meet your business needs. The Microsoft Power Platform is built on the Common Data Service. The Common Data Service is an out-of-the-box database for your apps. It is a fully managed, secure database that has Microsoft data from Dynamics 365, Office 365, and Azure pre-populated. For more information about the Microsoft Power Platform, contact ACE Microtechnology at acemicrotech.com. And be sure to subscribe to this channel to be aware of new future videos.